I like how this is starting off.
That's a good sign.
Oh my gosh.
Could it be?
Yeah, I think it is.
Let's get things started!
It's so easy.
Good job.
There's a little something for everyone.
Nothing better than that. I like where this is going.
All right.
Get your taste buds fired up. Oh, yeah! I love it. Cover me. I'm going in.
Let's get cooking. It is all about a party with delicious food.
Bomb.
Bomb.
Yes!
Dinner at Tiffany's!
Let the good times roll. To good food, old friends, and new memories. That's pretty perfect, right?
Welcome to my place.
Patty calls, you come.
Sizzling, baby. I'm cooking with Patty, my bad.
I've been waiting a long time for this.
Thank you for having me over.
I think we should call them Patty's Mean Greens. Show her how to do it.
Bravo. This is active, living cooking. It's time. Eat some good food. Boom! Yeah!
Whoa, baby, whoa. From meats to sweets to stuff on a stick.
I was excited, now I'm jacked up. I mean, it's easy on the eyes and it's easier on the mouth. I'm gonna need a minute by myself. Hold on.
This is paradise. Not a bad place to call work. It doesn't get much fresher than this.
I'm getting fresh with Katie.
Stop the presses.
Breakfast, lunch, dinner, and a snack for under $35.
This place is awesome.
Can I do it all and stay on budget?
There's just a lot of dynamic going on. Yeah. I love my job.
Why do astronauts crave shrimp? Why does a baker's dozen total 13? Does color really affect taste?
We're taking a revealing look at every tasty myth in the book.
Are cucumbers actually cool? Cool, baby. How'd this guy get to be so chill?
Quality time together.
Give it a little spin.
Definitely delivers.
I know, I killed it.
It's everything you could want.
That's what I call a blockbuster.
Oh, I'm sold.
Done. We're done.
And cut.